Case name J. Chandu, age is 24 years, and today date is 12th of May 2026, and complaint of high pitch voice even after puberty. I want speech sample before starting voice therapy. Why you came here?
I came from Andhra Pradesh to get the voice treatment. I have a voice problem.
What happened when you speak to the people?
When I call to the other persons, they are saying like this, madam.
Post therapy video of Chandu, and today date is 19th of May 2026. Chandu, I want speech sample after the voice therapy. Why you came here and how do you feel now?
Hi, myself Chandu. I came from Andhra Pradesh. I came to Bangalore to get the voice therapy treatment to the SLP Sanjay Kumar sir. First, my voice is like as a girlish voice, like a female voice.
After the therapy, how it is?
Then after voice therapy, I can confidence my voice was changed.
So have you spoken to any of your friends recently after the voice therapy, and what is the reaction?
Yes, I called to my friends and family members. They were very shocked when they heard my voice.
What is your mother tongue?
Telugu.
So can you tell the same thing in the Telugu? What was the problem and what reactions you got from the friends?
ఎస్ అయితే నా పేరు చందు, నేను ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ నుంచి వచ్చాను. హై పిచ్ వాయిస్తో సఫర్ అయ్యాను. అయితే వాయిస్ థెరపీ ట్రీట్మెంట్ అయిన తర్వాత మా ఫ్రెండ్స్కి ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ కాల్ చేసినప్పుడు వాళ్ళు షాక్ అయ్యారు. కాల్ చేయమని, వీడియో కాల్ చేయమని, ఆ విధంగా షాక్ అవ్వడం జరిగింది.
Can we use a video for awareness purpose at our social media?
Yes sir, okay sir.
Thanks for the permission, and those who are watching this video, if you see any positive change in his voice, write in the comment box and share this video, like the video, so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. Thanks for watching.